Hey traders, Andy Demi here from the London Trading Institute. So, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had a nice weekend, enjoying the lovely weather here in London, if you are in London, of course. I know we have a lot of people listening from the UK. But today I want to show you my Dollar-CAD play that I posted in the group today. And I want to show you why I took this trade. Now, I'm in a few other trades that are looking pretty nice. So I've basically caught the Aussie dollar really nice. This is really perfect setup. I posted about this earlier in my in the elite group, and that one is looking extremely nice. Perfect bounce. But today I'm going to be speaking about the Dollar-CAD, which I basically pretty much shorted from this high. And, I'll just show you very quickly. For some reason I can't find the post. Hold on a minute. Let me refresh. So I'm just going to show you the post so that you can see what I was looking at the time. So this is the picture that I had. Okay, this is what the US dollar CAD looked like, and you can see there. Essentially, I've looked at this area. What I posted here in our group is that it's at the 1.5 DTR and a double daily level. Okay, and so what I was looking for was to enter at this price point and then look for the market to go lower. And as you can see in the FX traders group, you can actually I just posted the information there. Let me just bring it up because I haven't got my broker account open. So you can see there, my entry was about 130.41. My stop was 130.67, and my take profit was 129.87, and that netted me just under £2,000. And I want to share with you basically why I took this trade. Okay, so let me firstly open up the chart and show you, like, essentially, look, I mean, it's pretty much worked perfectly, and you can see my stop 130.67 was pretty tight. I mean, obviously I could have gone even tighter. As you can see, it went only up to 130.51, but I like to give it a little bit of room. And one of the questions I got asked and get asked a lot is, do you wait for confirmation? The answer is no, I don't. I place a limit order and I get on with my day. That's the powerful thing about this. So this literally got filled, and within an hour it got hit target, £2,000 banked. I'm not going to sit there waiting for confirmation, not just because I don't want to be in front of my screens, but actually because it doesn't make too much sense to wait for confirmation. Because if you've identified a really strong level, and I'm going to go into this right now, then, and a lot of reasons why it's going to stop here, then why get in a worse price? Once it confirms it and the market bounces down, you're now selling at a worse price. Your reward to risk is all over the place then. And the reality is if you've got a good level, you're bound to get a reaction anyway. But that doesn't mean your trade's going to go in your favor. You could get the reaction because it's a level. It could have got a reaction here, right? Hit this resistance and then gone higher, okay? And then stopped me out. That was absolutely possible. So for me, actually, if you let the market react and then you sell here, it's literally the worst possible thing you could do. So if you are confident on your levels, then for me, I just put my limit order in and let the market do its thing and let the market do its edge, right? It's like, if it stops me out, it stops me out. And, all my other trades that I've got running, they're all risk managed. I don't need to really think about them too much. they're going to hit my target stop, or I'm going to move my stop, or whatever. I'm going to manage those trades, but everything is organized. So let me go into the higher time frames here. And this is what we're looking at. If you can see here, we've got a really, really strong weekly level. And we've got a market angle. Okay, if you're new to us and you don't know what market angles are, basically just think of it as a strong line of resistance right here on this yellow line. So the higher time frame is already saying, hey, we might hold here. Overall, it's quite rangy, right? It's not really moving up very fast. It's pretty much going sideways. Again, a perfect kind of chart for fading. Let's go on to a daily chart. Well, look how many levels there are. So where I was selling, basically, there was a huge amount of resistance. So I was basically selling here, 130.41. Okay. I did get tempted to sell up here instead, and I might have actually got a better price if I did, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to get in at the double level, and it doesn't matter if it goes a little bit higher. And and that's and the other thing that really appealed to me about this setup is it had reached its 1.5 daily trading range. So typically, guys, you expect the market to do its daily trading range. This one, I basically added a multiple of 1.5, which really is an extreme day. Okay, it can do more. I know, like we have like some examples like there where there's big news. It can do more, but generally speaking, the 1.5 DTR is really the kind of baseline. It's unlikely to do more than that today. So I had lots of different things basically saying to me that the market might go down. And then finally, I saw this as a liquidity play where we take out these previous highs where there's obviously going to be stops here, a nice institutional liquidity play, and then the market reverses. So all in all, it met all of my criteria, placed the order, and then the market hit my take profit. Now, look, it could have got stopped out. Okay, I don't win every single trade. I don't pretend to win every single trade. And if I'm being transparent, probably if it got stopped out, I may not be recording this video. But that's not because I don't want to show you my losses. It's actually a different reason. People tend to get more excited about wins than they do of losses. Okay, and even though I tell them, oh, there's lessons and things like that, I've had enough experience with people to say that, when you make money, it tends to hit home for people a lot more, and they tend to listen a lot more. So, and what I always say is like, you're not going to win every time in trading. You're going to have an edge, and you're going to win more often than you lose, and therefore you're going to make money. So, with this one, it's hit target. If I get stopped out on another one, all in all, it balances out. But obviously, I'm a profitable trader, and I just play my edge. That's it. But I understand my edge. And the most important thing is that even to the elite traders that I'm coaching, I always say follow your own plan. Like, if you like my plan, fine, take the trade. But if you don't follow your own plan, you're never going to succeed at the level that you want, because you're always going to be looking for somebody else to give you the answer, and you're never going to feel comfortable with your trades. So that's really kind of it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know if you've got any questions. Okay, like, I'm happy to answer any questions. Looks like we're picking up on the Aussie here. Really nice. I'm short dollar yen, and I've got two positions on cable. One is losing and one is winning. Euro dollar was looking to get in a bit lower, but I don't think that trade that's going to get cancelled now. It doesn't look like it's going to get down there. I'm just going to kind of let these play out now and see where we stand and manage my risk accordingly on these ones. So hopefully, going to have a really super good Monday, and then I can put my feet up hopefully for the rest of the week and enjoy this lovely weather that we're experiencing here in London. But that is all from me today, guys. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and if you've got any questions. Take care.